Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use drawing template switcher. And firstly I open example drawing and you will see the drawing and template. If you want to change template manually, you can select sheet and select properties and browse and select which you want, for example like this, and it will be changed. Maybe I want to change, yes, like this. It will be good, and save it. And if you have a lot of drawings, how can we change manually? It's very ridiculous. So we can create drawing template switcher and you can easily change all of them. Just only you have to select folder, and I select folder, drawing folder. And if you want to calculate subfolders, you can check it and export Excel and say yes. Program finds every drawing and get data and export Excel, and we will see and change easily. And you will see drawing name, drawing path, sheet name and template, and paper size and width and height. We can use easily because we just only add new template path in here. For example, if you want to change a different template, you just only write the path. And before the lesson I create a template and I get path and I click OK, and I just only enter it. You will see I change like this. Yes, I write the new template and save it, test as desktop. And I close it. I want to select Excel, my desktop, test, yes. I want to select sheet. If you want to delete notes, what about the delete notes? I want to show you. Sometimes we add note, my name, okay, and save it. Run. You will see I add manually and I close it. If you want to delete them, you can delete notes and save PDF and click import Excel. Program read the Excel data and change template. It's very fast. One of them is 1 second, and successfully is complete. If you click the save PDF, yes, it will be first change and then save as PDF. Which one is change? I don't remember my name, so I check it, all of them, it will be changed, delete notes. I want to control as a PDF because, sorry, drawing template like that. it will be changed, because the firstly I change different format, and it will change. Yes, it will be correct. Yes, your name. You see, my name is Aaron, is delete note. If you use other notes in the drawing, don't delete them, just only on the sheet delete notes. Thanks for watching, see you later.